Well, we made it to the key. Cedar Key, that is.
The other Florida Key.
Yeah, we've never been here. A lot of people have told us to come, so we just booked at Shell Mound County Park, which is out of town, maybe under 10 miles. But we came into the key today. We're going to check it out. Now this is on the Gulf side, for those of you that don't know. It looks really cute. We just drove through. It's very artsy town, and it's almost like a town that time forgot or something. There's not a lot of people here.
Well, it's the off season, so I imagine it's pretty hopping in the summertime, but it's kind of a long remote drive to get here. In fact, we were like a half-hour drive. As far as you could see, there's no cars either way. So when you get here, and it's a pretty small town. I'd heard about it. I wrote a review of something where a guy said he came here, stayed one night, fell in love with a kind of low-key, relaxed vibe, went home, sold everything, and moved here.
I could see that happening.
Yeah, I mean, as you're right on the water, it's small. Everyone's just driving around on golf carts and scooters.
Yeah.
So it's
only like 3 or 4 blocks, you know, the business district. Let's get out and check it out. Let's go get some coffee first.
I don't want coffee. No coffee for Pistol.
No coffee for Pistol.
She's a hot chocolate with whipped cream kind of girl.
Not chocolate though.
Well,
you trying to poison her? I gotta watch this guy like a hawk.
Fake chocolate? She just likes her sweets.
Yeah, because she is so sweet. Yes. All right. Let's get some coffee. We got some coffee at the Daily Grind, and we actually walked into the realtor's office and picked up some flyers on some property around here we're gonna go look at.
We've been in town 2 hours already looking at property. That says something. All the places we've seen in 2 years. It says a lot.
Yeah, let's go get the pup and go walk around. So we're headed back to camp, and right by camp is the Lower Swanee National Wildlife Refuge, and there's a fishing dock down here. So we're gonna go down there and... Are you gonna go fish?
Down upon the Swanee. I don't know. I have to see what it looks like and what I got for fishing stuff.
Oh. It's cool. It's a jungle in here.
It's a jungle out here.
I'm thinking chili and cornbread for dinner. What do you think?
So
thinking cornbread.
Camp oven time?
Camp oven time.
I like camp oven time.
Oh, maybe we'll make chocolate chip cookies too. But I don't have chocolate chips.
I gotta go for a run.
Oh, but I have peanut butter cups. Yeah.
What?
Peanut butter cup cookies.
What?
I think I'm hungry.
Peanut butter cup cookies.
We looked at property pretty much all afternoon. We'll see what turns up. It's a couple promising places. We're always full of surprises. Never know what we're gonna be doing. Huh.
Low-hanging branches.
Oh yeah. There's the Gulf. skunked. Skunked, I tell ya. Skunked and cold.
Freezing here in Florida.
Don't complain. People up north are actually freezing.
It's 57 degrees out.
When you put it that way. I think that thing's been sitting in the sun though.
It's just wind off the Gulf.
Yeah, it's the wind. It's chilly. Okay, no fish, but we're headed back to camp. It's a little late to do our cornbread outside. If you hear that annoying noise, it's this happening. Anyway, it's getting too cold to do that cornbread outside, but I've done this one other time. I've actually made the chili and then cooked the cornbread on top of the chili in the pot inside. So I'm gonna give that another go. Does that sound good?
I'm so hungry, I don't care.
It's gonna take a while.
Not eating fish tonight.
No, maybe if you fish again tomorrow, if we don't get any, we'll head to that fish market and pick up some fish.
Actually, it was easier.
Yeah, that's the plan. So camp is really just like a mile from here.
No, it's like a half mile maybe.
Camp is really just like a half mile from here. Is that right?
Give or take half a mile.
Give or take half a mile or so. Whatever.
I met some nice guys on the pier.
Yeah. Everybody here is so nice. The whole town is just laid back and chill. And
We know it. We've been here like all day.
we've really got
The
this
whole
town dialed in.
Everybody is this way.
Everyone we've met.
Yeah. Sometimes you just, I mean, maybe because we've been traveling, we've been to so many places and so many towns, you do kind of get a vibe of the feel of the town.
Definitely. And it's small enough that it's still intimate. Like people really are genuinely want to get to know you. And
yeah, the one guy I ever talked to, he was out there reading a book on the pier. So he's been coming here every year for 30 years. He lives in Pennsylvania. He's a Quaker. He just meets so many neat people from all walks of life.
It's fun.
It is. It's so cool.
Okay, I got the chili. It's going. Now I'm gonna put the cornbread into the chili and cover it and see what happens.
The chili is so good. I hope this works.
I'll just do little dollops, right? What could go wrong? It was mildly successful last time. Here we go. It's an experiment.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna time it 15 minutes maybe, but I'll just keep checking it and see. Okay, here's the end result. I think I remember last time and Dave did not care for it like this because it's too...
Oh, now you remember.
I do. It's too wet. It like, you know what I mean? It works and I like it, but whoops, we're steaming up here.
It's more cornbread than chili.
Yeah, I gotta wipe the screen. So this does work, folks. It's not ideal though. That's a lot of cornbread.
It's a lot of cornbread.
We need friends. Someone come join us. Well,
maybe not on top because I can get
yeah, you're right. It's gonna get mushy, huh? I think it already kind of is. So this is all just one great big experiment. It was
kind of like life.
Mildly
life
successful.
Life is like a bowl of chili. It's just one big experiment.
I like it.
Down.
Nailed it. Let's eat. Update. Don't do this, you guys. Don't. Just don't. Update. It doesn't taste good. It doesn't taste good at all. It tastes like beefy cornbread or something. I don't know. It's just not good. I can't describe it, but don't try this at home. Not good. exciting. We actually thought we were gonna spend another night here. We're still debating, but it just started dumping and the site we were in is getting too wet for us to get out of if we stay much longer. So he's just packing up. We quick zipped out of there. He's grabbing the remainder of our stuff, and I don't know, we gotta figure out where we're gonna be tonight. Maybe they have a better spot here. It's supposed to rain all day long too, so who knows? We'll figure it out. Pistol knows what's up, huh? You know how to stay warm. Well, what do you do on a rainy day? You go do laundry. We're still in Cedar Key. We don't know where we're staying tonight, but we need to regroup and figure that out. We figured we'd do some laundry, but it is officially contest time. Giveaway time.
It's officially giveaway time.
So Dave's been working on a coffee spoon last couple days. Check it out. That is really cool. So this is out of cedar.
Yeah, I don't have any wood to carve, so I had some redwood 2x4s.
Yeah.
And that's what I made that first coffee scoop out of, and this is my second one. That first one, if you saw the video, I did the coal rosing right here. I might do that on this one too, but it's still got some material. It's still pretty thick, but cedar's kind of, it's the redwood, it's kind of soft, so it's got to be thicker than other wood. But we're just kind of playing with the shape, trying to make it to where it's kind of fits your hand. And
I like it. I like the color inside. It's pretty.
Yeah. This is all carved. The only thing that's sanded, everything is still a tool mark. The only thing that's sanded is the bowl. So
cool.
now, so I've only done this one at a time, so.
Just pretend I'm not here.
Just pretend you're not there. There you go. One redwood coffee scoop.
That is really pretty. Good job, babe.
Yeah, it's fun.
So all you need to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment below. The winner will be chosen at random using a random comment picker. Yes, that is such a thing. I didn't know, but I looked it up. You just, it's like this little website. You import the video link and it picks a winner at random from the comment section. So be sure to comment below, subscribe, like this video. This contest is going to officially have to be official here. I had to write things down.
I can't believe there's so many rules to it.
There are. Now the official rules will be posted below in the description, so check those out. This contest will run from January 28th, 2019, 6 a.m. Eastern Time until February 2nd, 2019, 6 a.m. Eastern Time. That is when the winner will be announced. So you got a few days. Give us a comment, give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Let me see the spoon. This is, oh, it has a pistol kiss.
She likes walnut oil.
This coffee scoop has a pistol kiss. This thing is priceless. So this is going to a lucky winner. We'll hopefully be doing some more of these because this is pretty fun. He's got a little C in the back for Carey. All right, you guys, time to enter. Give us a comment. We'll talk to you in a few days. Carry on.
Carry on.